bird doesn't know what to do. I just gave him a piece of bread in there. When I went in, I startled him. He was in front of my car. And then when I came out, I startled him. He was in front of the door. But he's never flown away. And then when I just got out of my car to give him a piece of bread to see where he was in those bushes, and I startled him again. So, anyways, he's got a piece of bread in there. Merry Christmas, little guy bird. Or, I think it's your guy, I don't know. I call everybody guys. I call my little junior lady, she's a guy. He's gonna take that, but there's too many people coming in and out. And he might want me to leave too, I don't know. I'm just gonna sit here and let him see how long it takes him to take it. Come on, little guy, take your bread. I wonder if he lives in there. I doubt it. He probably feels like he's trapped in. There's people on either side right now, so he can't really. But then there was a big old crow on the left of me when I got out too, that I chased away before. So hopefully he won't be back. Get it? Go ahead, guy. Alright, no one's around. Get it. Get it. Get it. He's circling around it, too. He's circling around it. It's right down there. Come on, guy. Merry Christmas, guy. Get your big old piece of bread. Come on, guy. Take it and run. There you go. Alright, grab it and go. Grab it and go, guy. Did you grab? Oh, he's coming back because the guy just scared him. Yeah. Alright, coast is clear. Go, guy. He's probably hearing me now, huh? Get it, guy. Get it. Grab it and go, my friend. Grab it and go. He got it. He got it. He just picked it up. He just picked it up. Good job, guy. He's eating it. He's eating it. He's eating it. Good job. Oh, get it. Come on, guy. He's stepping on it. He's grabbing it. It's a big piece of bread. I doubt my camera's picking it up. He's pulling it apart. He's eating it. There you go, my friend. Yeah. All right. He's stepped on it. He's got a piece he stepped on and he's just picking at it. He's gonna feast on that. I don't know where the other piece is. I think he broke that piece off. That's perfect. Perfect, little bird. Took it long enough too, but you gotta make sure. Yeah, see, no one's coming in and out any waves right now either way. So that's funny. He had to wait till the coast was clear before he started eating. I don't blame him. I do the same thing. All right, let's go then.